Tutorial, I wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about locking the aspect ratio for a graph in Microsoft Excel. So the aspect ratio is just basically the ratio of the size of the width and length of your graph in Excel. And whenever it is locked, you can get your graph by the corner and drag it to resize it, and the ratio of the width and length will stay the same, which makes it to where it will be much more consistent whenever you're resizing your graph. To lock the aspect ratio, first click on the graph that you want to lock the aspect ratio of. Then click on Format in the top right here and go to the far right where it says Size. And then click on this little arrow right here, Size and Properties. And then after this, you're going to see a little checkbox that says Locked Aspect Ratio. Now, whenever you uncheck this checkbox, the aspect ratio is not locked, and you have more flexibility in how the graph is resized whenever you drag the corner, though there is not as much consistency. You can also manually adjust the size of the graph right here, if you like to. And whenever the aspect ratio is not locked, the height, light, and the width are adjusted like automatically. When the aspect ratio is locked, you adjust one of the dimensions. The other one will automatically adjust based on the ratio. As I said, I hope you found this short tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.